his SUV for a gun when she fired. The trial focused on whether deadly force was warranted. Ultimately, the jury acquitted Shelby.
You're thinking about wins and losses. This is a tragedy, no matter how you look at it. It's a tragedy for that family. We've got a police officer that's got to try to figure out how to put their life back together. There's a family, the Crutchers, who have lost a son, a father, a brother.
The jury reached its verdict after 9 hours of deliberations. Chaos in the heart of New York City today as the car goes out of control.
Let's talk about the truth about this. See, a cop has so many protections that citizens don't even begin to have. Number one, they said they feared. Shit, does that mean they can go out and just fucking shoot anybody anytime they feared? No weapon was shown or anything like that? See, the protections are also automatically, the cops are automatically going to side with the cop. Just like with Eric Garner being shot in the back in South Carolina. Cops didn't immediately arrest the cop that shot him or anything like that. They fucking figured out a way. Now, how can we cover this shit up? How can we make this go away? So, to see the truth of the matter, not only that, they've got grand juries are designed to protect dirty cops. Not only that, in the state of Florida, fraud in drawing a jury clerk, 839-16 of Florida statutes, is only a motherfucking lousy second-degree misdemeanor. So the truth of the matter is, not only that, automatically, if the cop decides he wants to put false charges, try to get a fucking jury trial. God damn it, I tried my fucking best to see about getting a jury trial. June 15, 2015, I was set to go to trial a year before, 6 months. I'm the one that had to fucking make all the court appearances, not that motherfucker Sergeant Stryker, the Panama City fucking clown department, Panama City, Florida. No sirree, man. I begged the prosecutor, Brittany Forrester, I said, please don't drop them charges. I begged the judge, Shane R. Van, please don't drop them charges. You want further proof? Go to Jimbikeman, robbed of a jury trial proof. Want to see my defense, where I was going to kick the ass of the motherfucker? In court, only verbally only? Go to Jimbikeman, robbed of a jury trial. You'll see it. You'll see how I put up all these reasonable doubts. So, see, the truth of the matter is, cops, they've got so many benefits of the doubt that we citizens don't even begin to have. Not only that, they can use escalation techniques. They can use rude techniques, getting up in your face, pushing your buttons and everything like that. God knows how many people that if the cops had not escalated the situation would have never had false charges on them, called battery on a law enforcement officer. So the truth of the matter is, first of all, number one, she's automatically thinking that this guy had a fucking gun, and yet at the same time she didn't have no backup there or anything like that. And this had to do when the if I'm not correctly, the van, this is in Oklahoma, where the van was stopped in the middle of the road. And so now we got to ask is how many other cops can now get away with saying, I feared for my life, and they can shoot somebody? Is that the new term right there, I feared for my life? So the thing is this is, also with Eric Garner when he was shot in South Carolina. What about the guy that was in, I think, what was it? Walter Scott was shot in South Carolina. Eric Garner was choked out in Staten Island, New York, laying on the ground. The cop didn't even have anything on his sleeve where he could have said, oh, I didn't realize I was crushing his cartilage or anything like that. She was laying down on the fucking ground. So, see, here's the thing. Cops have got so many different protections. They've also got the state's attorney that's automatically going to fucking side. Now the question we got to ask is who forced the trial? I can guarantee it wasn't the prosecutor, because, see, the cops, all they are is they're bird dogs for the prosecutor. That's what they are. So when you have it to where, was there a video recording? Or did the video recording on the cop, did it just magically stop working or anything like that? So, anyway, this Jimbikeman here, proven that a lot of times citizen ain't got, even though the Florida Constitution says everybody is equal, nobody is above the law or anything like that, when it comes to cops, fuck. There's all kinds of benefit of doubts on them, man. They can take and turn around. I've had so many false charges put on me, it's incredible, man. I'm the one that goes through hell, not them motherfuckers. I'm not against cops, I'm against dirty motherfucking cops. But, you see, the thing is this, is whatever they learn in the police academy, they're probably told, forget about everything that you learned at the police academy. Forget about it. Now we're gonna let you know exactly how it is on the streets. And that's what I believe goes on. So, grand juries are designed to protect dirty cops. Then we've got something to where we've got something called what is it? Internal investigations. Could that be the same thing as internal fix-up or something like that? So anyway, as many times as I've been arrested and thrown in jail, and I ain't done anything? Oh, yeah. I've even told cops before. I said, hey, motherfucker, I said, why don't you come on back to the jail there and see who lasts the longest or anything like that. Yeah, I've had all kinds of crazy charges put on me, but because, you see, I don't know anybody, ain't got no connections. So what happens is the people who have no connections, they're automatically going to know when they run your name. They're automatically going to know. But if you're somebody that's well-to-do, has got connections or something like that, if you can afford bail, the chances of you going to jail are a lot smaller, especially if you've got an attorney that's in your back pocket on a retainer's fee. So, see, cops are the bird dogs for the cops. For the attorneys. That's what cops are. They're bird dogs for the attorneys. So anyway, this Jimbikeman here, ranting and raving again. But you see, I'm telling you the real truth. Donald Trump is right about the fucking news. See, what he forgot to say is what they leave out. I've gone to 2 anti-violence meetings. Panama City, Florida. Government building on 11th Street. Not one time was I ever interviewed. I'm the only one that created a PDF oath arrest and prosecution that anybody can download. I even told hundreds of people that were there, you can download this. No, but you see, there are these bullshit civil rights groups. Janice Lucas, con lady, you would have thought that she would have wanted to hear what I had to say. No, she tried to shut me up because that was her fucking gravy train. The violence gravy train. That's what the fuck's going on, man. See, there's a lot of people who depend on violence. That's where they make their money. They can get free news, man. Free news coverage. I wish the fuck I could get free news coverage for all the efforts that I've done compared to other people who claim that they want to get something done. A lot of these bullshit liberty groups and everything like that claim they want to get something done. Bullshit. Their bread and butter is the fucking controversy. So, sadly, unless you've got connections, unless you probably get a pallet full of money, and you pay the news people, you ain't going to get the complete news or anything like that. So anyway, this is what I've been trying to do. Is I've been trying to you know, make things better, and what I believe is it is a sin when I know that I witness things that are far worse than my sins, and I do not do anything about it. I don't open my mouth. I'm partly responsible for it. In Panama City, Florida, there used to be hundreds of boom cars going up and down the river. I don't know what the fuck happened. I guess after 10 years of nonstop calling and everything like that, something got done. As of 2017, May 2017, the amount of boom cars is next to nothing compared to what there used to be.